Hi, my name is Giancarlos Biakelda, BSMT 3B10. This is my blog about 10 historical sites recognized by National Historical Commission of the Philippines. The first one is the Museo ni Jesse Robredo, officially recognized by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines. Is a museum in Naga City dedicated to honoring the life and legacy of the late Secretary of Interior and Local Government Jesse M. Robredo. Inaugurated on August 18, 2017, coinciding with the 5th death anniversary, the museum showcased his exemplary public service and commitment to good governance. The second one is the Naga Metropolitan Cathedral, officially known as the Metropolitan Cathedral and Parish of St. John the Evangelist. Stands as a prominent historical and spiritual landmark in Naga City. It holds the distinction of being the largest church in southern Luzon, established following the creation of Diocese of Nueva Cáceres in 1595. The cathedral originally structure was destroyed by fire in 1768. The present edifice, initiated in 1808 under Bishop Bernardo de la Concepcion, was completed and consecrated in 1843. The third one is Ateneo de Naga University, a private Catholic institution in Naga City. Was founded in 1940 with the Society of Jesus took over the Camarines Catholic Academy, established at the invitation of Bishop Pedro P. Santos. The school was renamed to align with the Jesuit tradition of naming their institution called Ateneo. The fourth one is the San Francisco de Assis Church, commonly known as the San Francisco Church. Is a historic Roman Catholic parish located on Piñapancia Avenue in Naga City. Established in 1578 by Franciscan missionaries, it stands as one of the oldest churches in the Bicol region. The fifth one is the devotion to Our Lady of Piñapancia, began in 1710 when Father Miguel Robles de Covarrubias, a Spanish missionary, commissioned a wooden statue of the Virgin Mary and had it enshrined in a chapel near in Bicol River. This chapel eventually became the original home of the image, known as the Piñapancia Shrine. The sixth one is the Bantay Church Bell Tower, also known as the Bantay Belfry. Is a historic landmark situated in Bantay, Ilocos Sur. Constructed in 1591 by Augustinian missionaries, it served as a watchtower to guards against pirate invasion, giving the town its name Bantay, meaning to guard in Ilocano. The seventh one is the Manila Cathedral, officially known as the Minor Basilica and National Shrine of the Immaculate Conception. Is a historic Roman Catholic cathedral situated in the heart of Intramuros, Manila. It served as the mother church of the Archdiocese of Manila and holds the distinction of being the seat of the Archbishop The eighth one is the Museo ni Jose Rizal in Calamba, Laguna. It's a historical museum dedicated to the life and legacy of Dr. Jose Rizal, the Philippines' national hero. It is situated on the original site of his birthplace, providing visitors with a glimpse into his early years and the environment that shaped his character and ideas. The ninth one is Intramuros. Often referred to as the Walled City, is a historic district in Manila, renowned for its rich colonial heritage and cultural significance. Established in 1571 by Spanish Conquistador Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, Intramuros served as the political, military, and religious center of the Spanish East Indies. The district was enclosed by massive stone walls, bastions, and moat designed to protect the Spanish colonial authorities from external threats. The 10th one is the Rizal Park, also known as Luneta. Is a historic urban park located in the heart of the Manila, Philippines, spanning approximately 58 hectares. It is one of the largest urban parks in the country and holds significant cultural and historical importance. The park is named after Dr. Jose Rizal, the Philippine national hero, who was executed there on December 30, 1896.